My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at Lecces and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. Today's topic for this video is regarding the data protection laws in India. The purpose of this video is to analyze about the data protection laws which are prevailing in India. Data protection is known as those laws, policies, and procedures which are connected with privacy, which will help to reduce the entering into privacy of another by collecting his or her personal data and by keeping it and releasing it without his or her permission. Now, there is a need to understand what is meant by the personal loss. Personal loss means the data or information of each specified person which is unable to be recognized from the data's informations which has been either collected by the concerned government or any of the private companies. When we analyze a past few years, we can see that we can see an increased number of cyber crimes reported in India, and the fact is that when people increased their use of computer and internet, the crimes using these technologies has also increased. Hence, there is an urgent need to ensure the protection of these data. Therefore, there exists a need to look on to the matters such as data protection and data protection laws in India. Data protection laws in India means our Indian constitution doesn't expressly mention about the right to privacy. You all know that. But even though it is like that, various judgments, through various judgments, the courts have recognized the right to privacy as an essential fundamental right guaranteed under Article 21 and Article 19 Clause 1 of the Constitution of India. Even though right to privacy has been recognized as a fundamental right, it is subject to certain reasonable restriction which has been imposed upon this right. It is in a famous case, that is Justice Puttaswamy and another versus Union of India and others. The Supreme Court held that right to privacy is a fundamental right guaranteed by our constitution but also subjected to reasonable restrictions. One main problem with the data protection in India is that India doesn't have a proper express legislation regarding this data protection. So even though it is dealt precisely in the IT Act 2020 and in the Indian Contract Act 1872, here there exists a need for a well organized and structured law for data protection. Information technology, reasonable security practices and procedures, and sensitive personal data or information rules, that is 2011. In that rule, Rule 2 clause 1 of the notification defines about the personal information as it means any information that relates to a natural person from which either directly or indirectly such person can be identified. So Information Technology Act 2000 deals with the sections about punishment of mishandling the sensitive data and guidelines. Section 43 of this act deals with the imposing fines to up to 10 lakh rupees for downloading of data without consent. If a person caused damage to a computer by entering virus into it, then it is punishable under section 43. And section 69 had mentioned about the exceptions to collect data for integrity of India's sovereignty, public order, etc. So section 43A of the IT Act states about the adopting reasonable security practices and procedures that need to be adopted by any person who holds personal sensitive data. So we also know that the Indian Copyright Act 1957, and in this act also it deals with some aspect of this data protection. The act makes piracy of any copyrighted content of an offense which is punishable under this act. Section 63B of the Indian Copyright Act 1957 makes the use of an infringing copy of a computer program on another computer punishable. So even though we have Information Technology Act 2000 and Indian Copyright Act in 1957, which deals with these matters of data privacy and protection, it is a true fact that India doesn't have an express legislation which exclusively deals with this data protection. And in this present scenario, we are commonly witnessing the issues regarding the threat even to the personal data and informations of many. If a proper legislation doesn't come, it is true that such issues will surely increase. Hence, an express legislation which deals with these data protection and privacy is an this urgent need of the hour. So here we have analyzed briefly about the data protection laws in India. So you can like, subscribe and comment on this video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channels. Let's click. So please give me a feedback about this video, and if you have any question related to this video, please comment that question in the comment box. I will be replying as soon as possible. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. By saying these words, I'm concluding. Thank you.